I've got a fully occupied duplex in a solid rental neighborhood. That's the topic of today's show. Let's dive in. Hey real estate investors, welcome to another episode of the Investment Properties for Sale Show. I am your host, James Wise. In today's show, we have got a solid earner for you guys. This duplex, it's fully occupied. This thing is a cash cow. Before I give you guys all the details on this property though, I want to talk to you guys about a newer product that we have here at Holton-Wise. Now, for all my longtime viewers of HoltonWise TV, you guys understand the process. What you're watching currently, this is the Investment Properties for Sale show. We send this show out to you every single day at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you're not receiving this in your inbox every day at 1 p.m. in the show notes, I've got the link for you guys to sign up. You could sign up to make sure you're subscribed there. And then, of course, make sure you smash that subscribe button so you get the notifications from YouTube. Now, when you get this show, these are properties that we are selling here at Holton-Wise, and then after that you could purchase them and you can manage them on your own, or we will handle top to bottom property management, insurance, everything you need. We can cover you. Now, what a lot of people are running into, right, is getting these properties is very difficult. The show is incredibly popular. If you look down there, you see the view counter, right? You'll see that there is a ton of people watching this content. A lot of people are watching this, right? These properties, they make a ton of money. We are the #1 seller of rentals in the Cleveland market, so the demand is extreme. So whenever I release a show, like today's show, we're probably going to get about 20 to 25 offers on this property today. So if I get 25 offers on a duplex, well, that means 24 investors out there couldn't actually buy the property, right? I can only sell it to one of you guys. So because of that, we have another show. It's called the MLS Search and Analysis Show. What that show is it allows investors like you to utilize my services, leverage my knowledge and expertise on this market to purchase properties that are listed by anyone else. Doesn't even have to be listed. Could be for sale by owner. You could be doing direct mail campaigns and trying to buy homes off of little old ladies. Whatever you guys want to do. Bank tapes, REOs, wholesalers, you name it. Anybody else who's trying to sell you guys properties in the Cleveland market, you can leverage myself. You go ahead and get yourself an episode of the MLS Search and Analysis Show, and I will analyze any deal you're trying to buy, or if you haven't even found your own deal and you just want me to scour the MLS, finding deals that will work for you, you can give me your criteria, and I will search and I will find it. Yes, I'm the #1 seller of rentals in Cleveland, guys, but there's over 5,000 realtors in this market, so there's a lot of other properties being sold. So that is the second way you can buy properties from us here at Holton-Wise. And I have created an add-on to that product. There's a lot of you out there that are not ready to spend the money and ready to pull the trigger on that product just yet. Or maybe you are buying that product, but you're finding even those properties you're getting outbid on because, again, those are wide open. Those are on the open market. And there's 5,000 other realtors out here, and they're all trying to pitch the properties as well. All the other realtors, they're trying to sell the properties. So what I've done for you guys is I've created a way for you guys to get the data before anybody else. So if you click on the MLS Search and Analysis Show and you go down to the bottom, you will see these new products I've created for you guys. These are the real-time MLS feeds. What I'm doing is I am giving you my direct MLS access. This way you're going to be able to get the data before anybody else. So like Zillow, Trulia, Realtor.com, if you're currently using websites like that to find real estate deals, you are behind the curve. You see, real estate brokers, we get that data from our MLS. Our MLS then sends that data to those aggregation sites. So that means those sites are several days behind. So if you're relying on like Zillow.com to see when properties hit the market, people that have my real-time MLS feed have had the opportunity to see those and potentially bid on those properties for days before you even know they hit the market. And I've set this up very easily for you guys. I have split it up into specific neighborhoods, right? For those of you who are fans of the Ultimate Guide to Grading Cleveland Neighborhoods, and if you've never heard of that, Google it or click in the show notes below. I've got a link to it. It's where I've graded all the neighborhoods, A, B, C, D, F. I've graded this based on investor risk level. So if you know what your risk tolerance is, if you're a guy out there, you're like, man, I really want to get duplexes, but I want to get them in B-class neighborhoods, I've got a specific data feed that is only going to send you my direct MLS access to properties that fit that criteria. And if you're looking for something cheaper, maybe you want to go C or D class, I've got all that. And I've broken it down into 3 searches: single family homes, 2 to 4 unit homes, and large apartment buildings, which is 5 units and up. Now remember, the single family homes and the 2 to 4 unit homes, all those are going to qualify for residential financing. The big apartments, those are only going to qualify for commercial financing. And if you guys need lenders, just send me an email, jameswise@HoltonWise.com. I'll send you my list of lenders. I've got people that can give you those residential loans. That's anything between 1 and 4 units. And I've got commercial lenders that can give you guys loans on those apartment buildings. Now let's quickly go to a word from the sponsor of today's show, and then I'm going to get into that duplex I talked about earlier.
Based in Indianapolis, Indiana, FS Houses is the premier investment property brokerage. With an in-house property management department that can take care of all those unwanted landlord headaches, FS Houses can offer you the complete turnkey solution, as well as wholesale properties offered to you at a discounted rate. With a network of thousands of active investors, wholesalers, and brokers, FS Houses can help you sell your property for top dollar on the open market or in a hurry to motivated investors seeking distressed real estate. Visit fshouses.com or call 317-492-9025 for more information on the Indianapolis, Indiana real estate. Holton-Wise has a worldwide audience of real estate investors. If you are a lender, home inspector, or anyone else with a real estate related business who would like to increase your sales and exposure with an ad in one of our videos, go to HoltonWise.com today.
Welcome back. Let's get right into the duplex. 3579 Bosworth Ave, Cleveland, Ohio. This is a solid neighborhood on the west side. We are looking at, a C-class area. Holton-Wise, we have got hundreds upon hundreds of duplexes in this neighborhood. And this one, this is great. This is, purely turnkey, ready to rock and roll for you guys. All you guys need to do is put up your down payment, and then you're going to start cash flowing on day one. Holton-Wise, we already manage this asset. We've already got 2 paying tenants in there. They are both currently paying $650 a month. So we are bringing in $1,300 a month right now today. At a price point of $84,900, that deal is a home run. But there is a little bit of meat on the bone left for you guys, just so you know. What we are seeing is with nice renovated units, if we put some of the premium upgrades in them, we're able to pretty easily get that rent on these duplex units up to $700 a month. So eventually you could be renting this property for $1,400 a month. Now, I would not recommend you kick these tenants out right now. That wouldn't make any sense, because if you look at it, $1,300 a month, an $85,000 investment, that is a solid ROI. You don't want to create any artificial turnover, because turnovers are our biggest return killer. So don't think like, oh, I got to get that extra $100 a month in rent to increase my cash flow. You could actually do the opposite if you're kicking out a tenant early, and then you got to spend a few grand getting their unit ready, and then you have a couple months of vacancy. You don't want to do that. But in this game, turnovers, they're part of this game. It's going to happen eventually. So what the studious investor doing, the savvy investor, what you guys are doing is you're collecting your cash flow right now. You're making that $1,300 a month. And then when that turnover naturally occurs, when one of those tenants eventually moves out, then you want to take the opportunity, renovate the unit, put in those premium upgrades, and go right to the top of the market. And that's how we'll be able to get you that $700 a month in rent. Now, I talked about it earlier in the show. I anticipate having well above 20 offers on this. You know, for those of you who have been watching Holton-Wise TV for any amount of time, you know as soon as I send these duplexes out to you guys, they are gone almost immediately. So if you would like to start building your investment portfolio or growing your investment portfolio today, all you need to do is send me an email, jameswise@holtonwise.com. I need you to have your proof of funds or your pre-approval letters ready. You don't have to pay cash. As a matter of fact, I don't think you should pay cash. I think the best move here is to finance this sucker, okay? You put down 25%, the bank loans you 75%, and then those tenants are going to be paying $1,300 a month towards your debt. They are paying off your mortgage. That is what got me into the real estate business to begin with. You take out a loan. Someone else gives you money to buy an asset, and then someone else pays off the loan for your asset. That is literally the greatest business in this country. So if you don't have a lender yet, shoot me an email. I'll get you my list of lenders, but you probably won't be fast enough to take this one down, so you're going to want to tune into the show tomorrow and the day after to see what we're offering then. Everybody else who's already past that phase, they have their lenders or they do have their cash if they want to go that route. You guys will probably take this one down. No lowball offers either, guys. I listed this thing at $84,900. It's going to sell at $84,900. Every once in a while, we get these clever guys out there that want to send in offers of $50,000. I'll pay $50,000 and I'll close in 2 days. Good for you, bro. So will 500 other people that are watching this show. You're going to have to pay $85,000 if you want to take this deal down, and that's just the end of the story. So I'm going to let you guys get out of here now. Before you leave, do me a favor. Hit that thumbs up button if you've got some value out of this show. Don't just watch the show. Hit that thumbs up button. You got to let YouTube's algorithm know that you're finding a lot of value in the content we're providing you here at Holton-Wise TV. If you're a first-time viewer, smash that subscribe button. And as always, I'm James Wise with Holton-Wise, and this is Real Estate Investing Made Easy.
RentecDirect provides you with an easy-to-use yet robust platform for managing your properties, complete with its built-in reporting and accounting system that can be customized to fit your business. For property managers, you get advanced features like simplified owner distributions, automated management and placement fees, an owner portal, plus the software is certified for trust accounting. All this comes backed by the highest-rated customer support team in the industry. Certified by third parties and ranked #1 by our clients year over year. You get unlimited free access to our US-based support team by phone, email, and chat, who will help you getting started or anywhere along the way.
Cleveland, Ohio is widely considered to be one of the top rental markets in the entire United States. This is because here in Cleveland, our housing prices are low and our rental prices and demand are high. At Holton-Wise, we provide the complete turnkey solution for all real estate investors, whether they are local, out of state, or even abroad. As real estate brokers, we will provide you with agent representation to help you buy properties ranging from single-family homes to large apartment complexes. We even have referrals for lenders who can provide investment property loans to investors located in all 50 states, allowing you to capitalize on the use of leverage or other people's money. We have referrals to top-notch title companies so you know that all of your transactions are safe and secure, with every single property being delivered to you with clear title. Once you close on the property, we have an investor-focused insurance brokerage who can handle all your property insurance needs. This insurance brokerage handles auto, home, life, and business policies, but they specialize in working with policies for landlords. We also have full-service property management. We can handle all rental property advertisements, tenant placement, rent collection, evictions, maintenance, landscaping, construction, and repairs. In addition, HoltonWise also offers digital media and education. One day, when you are ready to sell your investment, HoltonWise, as the #1 seller of investment properties in the greater Cleveland area, can market your property in a video just like this one to our worldwide base of investors who are looking to capitalize on the high cash flow opportunities in the Cleveland, Ohio market. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our latest content, including video tours and analysis of investment properties that are available for sale, real estate investment education, and our most interesting encounters with tenants from hell. HoltonWise, real estate investing made easy.